In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track created date in Smartsheet, Timestamp Tracking 2026. By the end, you'll have an automatic timestamp that records exactly when each new row is added, making audits and reporting much easier. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. This is where all the work happens and everything we're about to do is available in the standard sheet interface. Next, sign into your Smartsheet account using your usual method. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow that prompt. Otherwise, just authenticate as you normally do. This part is quick, and once you're in, Smartsheet will take you straight to your home screen. From home, you'll see your recent items and navigation on the left. Click all workspaces to browse everything you have access to. This is helpful if you're managing multiple teams or projects and want to make sure you're editing the correct sheet. Now, select the workspace that contains the sheet you want to use, then open that sheet. If you manage several sheets, consider opening the one where tracking the created date matters most, like an intake form, a request log, or any process where new rows represent new records. Inside the sheet, head to the columns area. Scroll to the far right of your columns. Right-click on the last column header or click the three dots menu and choose to insert a column. It doesn't matter if you insert to the left or the right. Either option works the same way for what we're doing. A column setup window will appear. Give your column a clear name like created date or date created, so your team immediately understands what it shows. Then, change the column type to the system options and select created date. This is the special system column that automatically captures the timestamp the moment a new row is added. Click OK to apply it to your sheet. If you don't see the option, make sure you have sufficient permissions on the sheet, such as owner or admin, because only those roles can add system columns. A few tips to keep in mind. The created date column will autofill for new rows going forward. Existing rows may remain blank because the system only timestamps at the moment a row is created. Smartsheet saves changes automatically, so there's no extra save button to hit. If you also want to track who added the row, you can add a separate system column for created by later, but for timestamp tracking, created date is the one you need. Finally, remember that timestamps follow account or sheet time settings, so check your time zone if you're coordinating across regions. That's it, your sheet now tracks created dates automatically.